G'day people, Mike Mopar here from Caravans and Classics. Today we're going to hit this 20-foot Concord here. It's got a lot of black shit all over the roof, moss and mould and all that sort of stuff. So I'm going to do a 50-50 mix of granola and water. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, give it a scrub, and we'll see how she comes up. Alrighty, so here's our Concord. She's been sitting a while. I've tried scrubbing the back with just the brush and soap, but it hasn't come off. So today we're going to use a 50-50 mix of granola and water. Give it a scrub and then hose it off. Hopefully she'll come up mint, just like a bought one. So this is what we're using today. Like I said, just 50-50 mix of granola, water. Put it in our little spray bottle, spray it on, leave it on for about 10 minutes. Give it a scrub and then hose it off. So no need for a water blaster. So anyone can just do this at home. Alright, so we've just wet it down a bit. And we've just got our spray here. And we're just going to give her a bit of a spray on this section here. And see what happens. As you can see, it's already starting to leach off. You can see it all dripping down here. So I'll give that 10 minutes and then we'll give it a scrub. Alright, so I've just given it another bit of a squirt with a hose. And now I just give it another good scrub. Look at that. Beautiful. Right, so we've given it a bit of a scrub. Look at that. Beautiful. Carry on scrubbing. Alright, so we're just going to give this a bit of a spray off now. Look at that. Beautiful. So one more go over and this will be mud. So here we have the lid, taking it off. It's got some pretty nasty lichens and shit on it. So here, going to give it a spray, scrub and hose off the lichens. Spray it on. Bomb burgers. So we're just a bit of the way through. Oh, look at that. Nice and easy, just hoses off, no water blaster needed. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so here we are, all done. A beauty. Not bad, still got the 30-year-old house paint on it. So here we are, we've finished the finished one half. You just see the difference. It's even got a bit of a shine to it. It's like a 30-year-old house paint. Awesome. Just a simple 50-50 mix of water and granola Done. Now for the other half. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Caravans and Classics YouTube channel and check out more of our how-to videos. Cheers guys.